This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to clear school cricket trials easily. Focus on your mindset. It is as crucial as your skills when facing trial day. Develop a positive attitude, visualizing successful outcomes for yourself and your team. Trust in your preparation, and remember that confidence shines through under pressure. This mental readiness will set you apart from many other hopeful players, giving you an edge. To truly shine, dedicate regular time to honing your fundamental cricket skills. Spend at least 1 hour daily on net practice, focusing on your batting technique and shot selection. For bowlers, work on your line and length, aiming for 20 accurate deliveries in a row. Additionally, practice catching and fielding drills, ensuring your throws are precise and powerful, covering a distance of at least 30 meters with ease. During the actual trials, demonstrate your game intelligence by making smart decisions, whether batting, bowling, or fielding. If batting, aim for quick singles and boundary shots, scoring at least 20 runs against challenging bowlers. As a bowler, vary your pace and delivery, hitting the right areas for 25% of your overs. Show versatility by being ready to field in different positions, always staying alert and communicating clearly with your teammates. After completing your trials, it is vital to maintain a professional and respectful attitude, thanking the selectors for their time. Do not dwell on the immediate results. Instead, use this experience as a valuable learning opportunity for your ongoing cricket journey. If possible, politely ask for constructive feedback on 1 or 2 specific areas where you can improve, helping you become an even better player in the long run. Keep working hard, and your efforts will pay off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.